Okay, we're looking at quadratics in vertex form, but with paragraphs, we want to start with our paragraph is just y is equal to x squared. Okay, that's our paragraph. And it's just a U shape right here. So remember, going back to our domain and range, so our domain, it goes from infinity this way and infinity, negative infinity this way and positive infinity this way. And the range, it just goes from 0 to positive infinity. Okay, so what A does is stretches it out, so it's either going to be really thin or really fat depending on A, so it's going to stretch it out. We're going to look at an example of that, don't worry. So if A is positive, it's going to go up. If A is negative, it's going to go down. Okay, and remember, HK is our vertex, so remember it's always the opposite of what's in parentheses, or you can set it equal to 0. Okay, and then solve for the x coordinate of the vertex. So let's look at an example that makes more sense if we look at this example here. So we're going to look at this example, but we're going to graph it on Desmos. So if you want to use your Chromebook or wherever your phone, go to Desmos, and we're going to look at a quick example. All right, so we're looking at this example here. All right, I'm going to post this on there too, so you have all these in your notes. So if we look at our paragraph, y is equal to x squared, we just have this parabola. So now let's go to the next one here. So now if we shift it, x plus 2 is going to shift it negative 2 units to the left here. So you can set this equal to 0 and solve for x, and you know x is going to be negative 2. All right, so if I change this to negative 2, it's going to shift the other way. So watch, negative. Yep, see. But let's change it back to positive 2, and it shifts back. Okay, so let's look at the next part. That's the h coordinate of the vertex. This h, and here's k right here, this right here. So remember, it shifts negative 2 units to the left, but since k is positive, it's going to shift up. So your vertex is now at 2, 6 here, right? Let's say, for example, I change this to, I don't know, negative 1. Negative 1. So negative 1, so now it just shifts down to negative 1. But this makes it positive 6, and it's going to shift up there. So let's say positive 6, and it shifts up. Okay, now let's go to the A part. A. So remember, A is going to make it, it's either going to be either really narrow or really wide based on your A here. So A was, say, for example, I don't know, 10. See how it increases really quickly? But A is like, let's say a fraction. Let's say 1 divided by 2. So A is 1/2, but now you see how it like increases really slowly because of the fraction. So let's change this back to, was it 3? So 3. So 3. It's going to increase kind of quickly, but the fraction is going to increase really slow. But what do you think is going to happen if it's negative? Negative is going to flip down. So let's say negative, yep, down. Okay, these are actually really pretty easy. This will help you with the activity on Desmos. So I'm going to give you a code in the next video and just show you how to log on and just get started with it.